shit.
Wait.
I'm sitting.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Oh hey Michael.
Another intro?
Dumbass.
Oh, I heard there's a snake.
Oh, that's my hope.
Hey guys, welcome to another video today.
What?
Oh hey guys, didn't see you there. Oh hey, didn't see you there. So we're looking for furniture
For Apollo, right? Apollo. Thank you. Now put that in a video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.
So what we're actually doing here is we're looking for stuff for Teleria, furniture, whatever it is.
Where's Falso?
No, where's Fostu?
Guys, we've been walking for a long time. I need to tie my shoe.
Me too, bro.
Hey Michael, you want some coffee?
Oh, good morning, love gentlemen.
Hello.
Would you like a tea, my friend?
What do you do?
I don't know.
Wouldn't this be cool for the apartment?
Are we recording?
Yeah, you told me.
Bro, it's been such a long day.
Wow, I didn't see that.
Okay.
Dad, I think there's something under our bed.
Son, I think there's something in the bathroom.
What? What do you mean?
Like and subscribe. Bro, you were getting close to me. You may be wondering, who the fuck is this guy? Well, I'll tell you what. Season 4 of Michael Show is coming soon. With the bang.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. I was busy playing golf. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you didn't, I don't give a shit.